I'm Oyendrila and I am an expert in full stack. In this video, we are going to talk about linear data structures. In one of our previous videos, we talked about data structures and what are the different types of data structures. A linear data structure is a non-primitive data structure. Here, the elements are stored sequentially. As a result, they can be accessed or traversed very easily. The elements in a linear DS are stored in consecutive locations. For example, I have an array of integers. The first element is stored at location number 200. The next would be at location number 202, so on and so forth. Linear data structures are mainly used for developing software. Let us look at two examples of linear data structures. The first one is an array. An array is a collection of similar elements stored together sequentially. The array can be accessed in a linear way and at one go. The next example is a linked list. A linked list is a collection of nodes stored sequentially. A node contains the data and a link which is a pointer to the next element. The first element of a linked list is the head, which points to the first node or the first data element. And the last element of a linked list points to null. There can be a singly linked list or a doubly linked list. Both of them can be accessed sequentially because of the presence of pointers. An array has two more variations, a stack and a queue. A stack can be implemented using an array and it follows the property of last in first out or LIFO. Whenever I add elements to a stack, the element that is added in the last is removed first. The operation of adding an element into a stack is called as a push operation, and the function or the operation of removing an element from the stack is called as a pop operation. A queue is also an application of an array. A queue follows the FIFO policy or the first in first out policy. A very good example would be people standing in a queue at the railway station. The person to get into the queue first is given the ticket first. So the element that is added in the beginning of a queue is removed first from the queue. So in this video, we have seen two different types of linear data structures, arrays and linked list, and two variations of an array, which are stack and queue. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.